wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best knitting needle sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The XQuiz Beginner's Kit is ideal for newbies as it contains all the most commonly used needles. These are made of bamboo, which provides a reliable grip. It includes a wide variety of notions and is affordably priced. However, this one's not made for the long haul. At number 9, the boye needlemaster 40-piece is a well-organized option that makes switching between projects fairly simple, whether you'd like to use circular needles or flexible straights. Unfortunately, the cables are a little on the stiff side. These are made from lightweight aluminum and come in beautiful metallic colors, but the connectors loosen too easily. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Knitter's Pride dreamz Deluxe comes with 9 pairs of needles with color-coded tips, which makes for easy size identification and selection. They're crafted from hardened birch and have a smooth finish that works with even sticky yarns like chenille. They sport a visually appealing design and are suitable for beginners and the more advanced. However, the case isn't as nice as many others. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for knitting needle sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Liqueur Driftwood gift set has tips made from birch, and because the wood is resin infused, it's exceedingly strong and not prone to splintering. These are neither too blunt nor too sharp, and the set includes US sizes 4 to 17, along with 4 keys and 2 connectors. Moving up our list to number 6. You can complete projects of all shapes and dimensions with the clover circular takumi combo. Between the 5 included cords and 12 sets of tips, you can create up to 60 combinations. The bamboo feels light and warm in the hand with just the right amount of grip. These are good for working with dark yarns and the joins aren't prone to snagging. However, they can come unscrewed from time to time. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Knit Picks options features flexible cables, convenient end caps, and 9 pairs of sturdy wooden tips. You also get 2 tightening keys that'll help ensure you've secured a cord completely. There are several colors to select from, all with a handy vinyl carrying case. It's a good value for the price. At number 4, the Addi Click Short Rocket was designed to help you manipulate intricate lace stitches. The included blue cords are exceptionally pliable and the carrying pouch is soft, so you can fold it up and store it anywhere. It comes with a sizing gauge in a white bronze finish. However, it is on the pricey side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, if you enjoy making delicate items like cabled wrist warmers and lacy pieces, then the Knit Picks Sunstruck may fit the bill. You get 7 sets of 6 needles, ranging from size US 0 to US 4, making this the choice for small gauges. There are 3 lengths available, all made from attractive laminated birch. This set's ideal for sock knitters. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for knitting needle sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the hiyahiya Sharp Sock Set includes a beautiful rose storage bag and features keyless screw-on connections, so you can quickly change sizes between projects. It works well with the magic loop method and includes convenient swiveling cables. It's durable and long-lasting. And taking the top spot on our list, the Knitter's Pride Karbonz boasts needles made from high tensile strength carbon fiber, so you shouldn't have to worry about them snapping in the middle of a job. They have a sophisticated look with a smooth black finish and brass tips. These pair well with all materials and feel warm to the touch. The set includes 7 popular sizes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for knitting needle sets, or simply click beneath this video.